What if your next medical checkup didn't happen in a hospital, but right on your wrist, your finger, or even in your pocket? We've all seen smartwatches tracking steps, heart rate, and sleep. But that's just the beginning. Artificial intelligence is now turning tiny wearable gadgets into real medical assistants that can scan your body, predict diseases, and even save lives. In this video, we'll explore 3 of the most powerful AI health innovations beyond smartwatches. Let's start with the first innovation, changing the way we monitor our health. AI-powered ECG wearables. You probably already know that a smartwatch can check your pulse, but these new devices go far beyond counting heartbeats. They can analyze your heart's electrical signals in real time, detect irregularities like arrhythmia, and even predict heart-related risks before you feel anything unusual. Just a few years ago, getting an ECG meant visiting a hospital or clinic. Now, it can happen quietly while you're jogging, working, or even sleeping. One striking example is the AliveCore Cardiomobile, a credit card-sized ECG sensor that connects to your phone. It uses AI algorithms trained on millions of heartbeat patterns to instantly tell whether your rhythm looks normal or not. Some models, like the Zio patch, stick to your chest and continuously record data for days. Doctors can then use this data to find hidden heart conditions that traditional checkups might miss. Here's where AI comes in. These devices don't just collect data, they learn from it. Every heartbeat you record helps refine the algorithm, making it more accurate over time. The system compares your ECG with vast medical databases, flagging any signal that matches known risk profiles. If something seems off, you get an alert long before symptoms appear. Imagine that, your wearable detecting a silent heart problem before it becomes dangerous. In 2024, a man in London was running his usual morning route when his AI ECG patch detected irregular patterns and notified him. He went to the doctor the same day, and they found an early-stage heart issue that could have been fatal if ignored. That's the kind of life-saving difference these wearables can make. They're not just for patients either. Athletes use them to monitor heart stress during training. Seniors wear them for constant cardiac supervision without hospital visits. And in the future, these devices could link directly to AI telehealth systems, allowing doctors to track your heart remotely in real time. Now, if that sounds impressive, wait until you see what AI can do when it moves from your wrist to your finger. Because smart rings are becoming the next big revolution in personal health, let's talk about something even smaller, but just as powerful: AI-powered smart rings. These tiny devices might look like jewelry, but they're packed with sensors and artificial intelligence that can track your health 24/7, all without you even noticing. While smartwatches focus mostly on fitness and heart rate, smart rings go deeper, reading your body's subtle signals to understand your overall well-being. Take the Oura Ring Gen 3 or the Ultra-Human Ring Air, for example. They use advanced sensors to monitor heart rate variability, body temperature, oxygen levels, sleep cycles, and even stress responses. But the real magic lies in the AI working behind the scenes. The Ring's software doesn't just collect numbers, it studies patterns over time. It learns what's normal for you and what's not. If your stress levels rise or your body temperature slightly changes, it can predict when you're about to get sick or feel fatigued. Imagine waking up and your smart ring already knows how well you slept, how your heart performed during the night, and whether you're ready for a full workout or need to rest. The Oura Ring became so reliable that even NASA used it to study astronaut recovery patterns during missions. That's how accurate these AI systems have become. Smart rings also have a growing role in mental health tracking. AI algorithms are now able to detect emotional stress or anxiety based on your heart rate patterns and skin temperature. So instead of waiting until burnout hits, you can catch the early signs and take action. It's like having a personal wellness coach that never sleeps. The best part? They're discreet. No bulky screens, no constant notifications, just a ring that quietly gathers data and sends detailed health summaries straight to your phone. For shift workers, athletes, or anyone juggling stress, this kind of feedback can be life-changing. And technology is moving fast. Soon, AI smart rings might integrate with voice assistants and even glucose or hydration sensors, turning them into full-body monitoring systems. But what if a device could go one step further? Not just track your health data, but actually help detect potential issues early and provide real-time health insights. That's exactly what the next breakthrough promises. Now this is where things start to feel like science fiction turning real. Portable AI health scanners are handheld devices that can literally see inside your body. No hospital, no wires, no waiting room. Imagine carrying a mini medical lab in your pocket that can scan your skin, your lungs, or even your organs in seconds. Let's start with the Butterfly iQ Plus, a portable ultrasound device that connects to your phone. It uses AI-powered imaging to create real-time ultrasound scans, just like the ones you see in hospitals. But instead of requiring a trained specialist, the built-in AI helps interpret what's on the screen. It guides users on where to move the scanner and instantly points out anything unusual. This means a paramedic on the road or a doctor in a remote village can use it to detect internal injuries, monitor pregnancies, or check for fluid buildup without heavy machines. Then there's the Neuralogix Anura app, which does something even crazier. It scans your face using your phone camera and, with the help of AI, can estimate your heart rate, blood pressure, stress levels, and even potential health risks. In just 30 seconds, it analyzes micro changes in your skin color that humans can't detect. It's like having a doctor read your vitals through a selfie. Other scanners, like the Scanadu Scout, have been tested to measure temperature, oxygen levels, and blood pressure with a simple touch. The AI inside compares your readings to millions of medical data sets and gives you an instant analysis. No needles, no lab test, no delay. The real advantage of these devices is accessibility. People in rural or underserved areas can get health assessments that once required expensive clinics. Emergency responders can scan patients on-site and send AI-analyzed results directly to hospitals before arrival. Even at home, parents can quickly check a child's symptoms instead of waiting hours in a clinic. These scanners represent a new era of preventive healthcare. Instead of reacting when we get sick, AI may now help identify early warning signs. And the best part is, these tools are getting smaller, smarter, and cheaper every year. But before we wrap up, let's tie it all together and see what this means for the future of personal health. One thing is clear: the future of healthcare is getting personal. Soon, these devices will all work together. Your ring talking to your ECG patch, your scanner syncing with your AI health assistant, creating a complete 24-hour health ecosystem personalized just for you. So, which one would you trust more? A doctor who sees you twice a year, or an AI that watches over you every second of the day?